that's what we're going to do when we go down the canal.
Will we see your Uncle Paul driving the steam train?
Not today, dude.
I want to watch that.
No, he's driving a steam train somewhere else today.
Tomorrow we can look.
I don't know when he's next up here. It usually tells us when he's up here.
Will we see trains?
Yeah, we're going to go up by the trains. That's what we're doing to the trains on the canal, don't we?
I wanna watch the other way.
Oh no, we're not going the other way. Not the right way for the chase.
On the bridge we're watching the trains.
Yeah, can do. Windy.
Yeah. I'm cold.
Cold?
Yeah. Because we're not in the shadow.
And you'd be cold if you were in a shadow. It's just because the wind's going this way. That's why. Yeah, because the wind's blowing against us.
Really fast?
Yeah. sneak past. Thank you.
Did you say sneak past?
Sneak past.
I can't see my nursery from here.
No, it's too far.
Sneak past. Actually, that's the bridge. That's the people bridge to the other side. Is that cold? What's that noise?
Don't know.
It's a man. It's a man.
Is it?
Why is that road there?
Thank you. Big swallow.
There's so much people at the canal today.
Hey?
There's so much people at the canal today.
Yeah.
Is that the food for the duck?
No, I think it's just bits off the trees.
Is that a train? Can I stop for a train on that bridge?
No, not this bridge, mate. We'll be on another bridge.
That's a train line.
It is, but there's not many on that one. We need to find the main line.
Oh. Are we heading to the toilet factory now?
No, that's the other way.
Will we go to the toilet factory in a minute?
No, it's the other way. Morning.
But I wanted to see it.
Thank you.
I wanted to see it.
No, it's the other way, mate. Not really a lot to see though, is there?
Do they build toilets?
Hmm?
Do they build toilets at the toilet factory?
I do. We're faster than the duck, thank you.
Please, car.
Yeah. Soon?
Soon we will.
Yeah.
Yeah, bounced off your head. Ow. Something that hit me off the branches.
Oh. Oh no, it's the river.
Oh, it's a river.
Yeah.
Can we stop there and see?
Yeah, go on.
I want to. Does it come that side?
Oh, there it is. Hey?
Yeah.
Go on. Next stop, train bridge. Okay?
That's not a train bridge.
No, not that one. It's not far there.
It's a car one. Daddy, how about a person turns into a pine cone?
Oh, what?
A person turns into a pine cone.
Oh, right.
We saw that movie yesterday.
Oh.
Can we watch it again?
Oh, I don't know which movie it is, mate.
No, the person turns into a pine cone. A person turns into a pine cone.
I don't know what movie that is, mate. I'll ask Mummy later, she might know.
No, in the river.
Okay, look at the trains on the bridge, yeah?
In the dirty river. The person turns into a pine cone in the dirty river. Daddy, that movie is a person turns in a pine cone in the river. In the dirty river. This is it.
Yeah. Oh.
Are you listening? Oh,
Yeah, well, yeah. Just go put the bike there. So.
I think there's a train going that way.
Not yet. I can't see one. Oh, there is one coming.
Or that way.
This way, I think. Yep.
This is alright.
Yep. Here is it.
It was different time.
It was. Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to find more trains.
Okay, we'll do one more. Daddy just needs a drink. Oh look, I'll show you what that is.
What is it?
Look over here, look.
What is that?
It's a micro light. Just one person on it.
There's only one person.
Yeah.
All by itself.
All by themselves.
There's bumblebees.
What is that? It's creaking. Ready, dude? Oh, just make sure I zip my pockets up. Okay, you ready?
Is that going up to space?
No, it won't go up to space.
Why?
You can't, you need a spaceship to get to space. Ready? Let's go!
Is there only one seat in that? Is there only one seat in that?
Yes. Squelchy muddy today because it's nice and sunny, isn't it?
Yeah. Hello sheep! Hello sheep!
Hello sheep.
Shortcut.
Yeah. I'm near a train.
Can we stop? Stop, Daddy.
What?
Now it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone, yeah. Thank you.
Is he coming back? Billy?
Thank you very much.
All right, mate. No
Cheers.
worries.
There is. I saw it come past there a bit. A bit. Past there. Really, we nearly missed that train then. Coming that way now.
Keep looking and listening there with the trains. The train line gets a bit closer again soon. So.
Is that the house? Is that
Lots of houses, isn't there?
there was a slide?
Nice fancy houses.
Is that what's that shop?
It's not a shop.
There's something on my face.
Just rub it off with your hand then. Okay? Got it?
I couldn't see then.
Okay.
There's a boat coming up. Two boats.
Yeah.
There's the farm. There's the farm.
There's lots of boats up here, isn't there?
Are those cows?
Yeah.
There's stickers
Mm-hmm.
and a car. And a broken car there.
Yeah.
They have to fix it.
They do. Thank you.
Good night.
Are we going up the chase in a minute?
Yeah. Right, stop talking through it now, keep your mouth shut, there's lots of flies, okay? Duck wants a race.
Is there no more flies now?
No, there's lots. Keep your mouth shut there. Thank you.
Here's the flat thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy, is there no more flies now?
Eh?
Is there no more
Thank you.
flies now?
Yeah, there's still flies, mate. So it's the canal. Keep your mouth shut for it, yeah? I'll tell you when.
What was it?
Fly went in my ear. Bumpy bit.
Is there no more flies now?
You're right, Nate, we're not going fast.
So is there no more flies?
There is, yeah. We got 5 minutes or so and then we're off anyway. This one's working again now, look.
Can we watch the boat come through that way? Can we watch the...
It takes too long, mate. It's a really long
I
time.
want to watch the boat come through there.
It takes too long, dude.
I want to watch. I want to watch.
You can't, mate.
Can I watch?
Yeah. Morning.
Daddy, can I stop for a train?
Can you what?
Stop for a train?
I don't think we'll see a train now, mate. We've just stopped quite a long time and I haven't heard anything come past, so. Thank you. We'll be off the canal in a minute and over the chase, okay? Remember, keep your mouth shut because of the flies.